Today's video is jam-packed with over 100 amazing small business ideas for passive income that is truly life-changing. I've created this short slide deck style video for fast and easy help finding your perfect digital product idea for selling on Etsy or any online business platform, and you can start for free today. Let's check them out. Okay guys, this is the ultimate ideas list, so make sure you save this video so you can come back to it later, whether you're looking for full business ideas or even just trying to add some clever ideas to your current inventory. And by the way, I actually have case study videos of successful Etsy stores selling a lot of these ideas in my digital products playlist if you want to check out more specific details about selling any of these on Etsy. And of course, there are lots of other ideas that didn't even make this list, but I wanted to focus on ideas that were completely digital and could be streamlined for a passive income source or an easy side hustle, depending on your skills. And don't forget to grab my free Digital Products Beginner's Guide to help you find your perfect digital product idea based on your skills and talents, plus learn the basics of how digital products work, double check that your idea will sell successfully, and see how to get started. The free link is down below, and I will pin it to the top of the comment section, so be sure to grab that free PDF guide. Please comment down below if there's an idea that you want to learn more about specifically, or if there's an idea you don't see here on this list that you want me to cover. Just comment and let me know. And while you're being awesome, give this video a like so that I can keep making more fun content like this. And thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to check out my full in-depth videos of these digital product Etsy stores. You can check out my digital product playlist to see so many stores making well over 6 and sometimes even 7 figures per year. And I've broken down the tips and strategies so you can do the same. See you there.